But can President Obama turn things around? Tucker Carlson is a senior fellow at the Cato Institute. Joe Trippi is a former Howard Dean campaign manager, and both are Fox News contributors. Afternoon, gentlemen.
Hey, Megan.
All right, so the map doesn't look good for Democrats is the bottom line. They're in trouble. And now you've got the Charlie Cook, projecting that they could lose between 5 and 7, some say as many as 10 seats in the Senate come November. Tucker, is that realistic?
It is realistic. Smart Democrats know that. The idea that the president's presence is going to turn this around, that yet another speech by Barack Obama is going to stem the tide is ludicrous, borderline sad. He tried this with the Olympics in Copenhagen with his health care reform package, talking endlessly about it on Leno and the Nightly News and Twitter, and to no effect at all. All of those initiatives failed. There's no evidence this is going to help those candidates, Harry Reid in Nevada, for instance. The problem is his programs are unpopular, and his staff doesn't understand that.